मैं भी फिजियो के पास जा रही हूँ. I wanted to like just relax and not do anything, but it's okay. Healthy रहना isn't really easy, you know. Best fucking thing I ever did to myself.
ले काट जैसे तू सबका काटता है.
Let's not sing. I find this song very depressing. Let's not sing.
And we are back home. The workout was so intense. It's okay, you have to move on now. Let go. इतना टाइम तो किसी बंदी को छोड़ने में नहीं लगाता ये.
You can never find somebody do it like me. I'ma turn it all the way up, cause it kamikaze. Go ahead and try, baby. You are gonna see that you'll never ever find somebody do it like me.
Hi, welcome back to my another vlog. टीवी होने की उम्र में मैं सिर्फ स्टीम ले रही हूँ और आज मेरी वाट लगने वाली है. आइए देखते हैं हमारी वाट कैसे लगती है. You know, I really don't know मुझे किसने ऐसे नजर लगाई है. Every time I go and I want to like my workout smooth, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं से कोई ना stupid injury हो जाती है. अभी इंजरी तो नहीं है, बट मुझे मेरी लेग में मसल पुल हो गया. कुछ तो weird feel हो रहा था मुझे स्क्वाट करते हुए. आज मैं भी फिजियो के पास जा रही हूँ. अब क्या दिक्कत हो गई है. Also, the hair mask is masking. Look at my hair. They look so nice. They look so shiny. I'm going to my physio. I wanted to like just relax and not do anything, but it's okay. Let's do it. Healthy रहना isn't really easy, you know. Workout is not everything. ये physio, ये stretching, mashing, blah 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 करते करते भाई. No workout, no tension. जैसे no भेजा, no worry. Nothing serious. It's just a muscle pull. Workout नहीं रुकने वाला है. Now my physio is gonna release it, and I swear it's gonna be so painful. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a long day today. It's my friend's birthday. This is my jigar ka tukda. He's my closest human. He is not a friend, he's a family. So we're gonna do a birthday workout with him. Then I'll come back, I have to get ready. I have to create another piece of content. I have to go for a meeting. Then I have to come back, get ready and leave for an event. It's gonna be a hectic day. So I thought let me just take you through. Yeah, let's do this together. Not together. You sit back, watch it like a passenger princess, and I'll do the work. I'll put in the efforts. Just relax, chill and watch it. Before I start my day, it's obvious by now, like better angle. Sorry editor, please handle.
Okay.
I think my editor knows a lot about me because he sees the f***ups I do in the videos and he handles it well.
I got you, homie.
Before I step out, मैं भूल गई मैं क्या बोल रही थी. Of course I have my coffee and I'm reading Harry Potter right now. Guys, I know a lot of you keep asking me, give me book recommendations and If you haven't read Harry Potter, go buy the set. Best fucking thing I ever did to myself. I don't know why I did not read Harry Potter till now. I'm not going to tell you how much I'm going to turn this year, but where were these books all this while? So please go read Harry Potter the way it's written. Just cliffhanger पे और जिस तरह से ये book end होती है, you cannot. You want to finish all the books in a go, and this is my 5th book, which is almost finished, and I'll start my Half-Blood Prince. Another what do you call?
One eternity later.
Suggestion. मेरी तरह बेवकूफ़ों की तरह एक बुक अकेले मत लेना, महंगी पड़ेंगी. Buy the whole set together. सस्ता पड़ेगा. Half the price, especially on Amazon. Like a stupid, dumb idiot, I bought every book अलग-अलग. So yeah. Love you all. Share, subscribe. Press the bell icon. I'm on last 40 pages of my book. And I'm sorry, but the world hasn't appreciated me much. I deserve a whole goddamn trophy. To shut my book right now and go train. Takes immense courage to do that. I want to be appreciated because damn, like last 40 pages. Oh, Harry Potter, of course. I want to just get back and read. Happy birthday, bitch.
Start counting the year आगे वाला. जैसे sometimes you know my dad's like you're 32. I'm like no. मेरा 32वां शुरू हो गया ना. But कुछ लोग 32 कंप्लीट होने पे बोलते हैं 32 कुछ देर तक तो 32 का हो गया. नहीं कंप्लीट हो गया कंप्लीट. इसका 32 कंप्लीट. ये 30 बना का 32.
I'm just a baby.
Are you ready?
Yes.
कैसा देखना, वो नहीं, वो डॉगी नहीं होता जिसकी आंखों के ऊपर बाल आ गए। ले काट जैसे तू सबका काटता है।
Emotional, damn it!
3, 2.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Let's not sing. I find this song very depressing. Let's not sing.
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Later.
And we are back home. The workout was so intense. It literally killed us. I'm dead. What a good one. Now I'm super hungry. Yeah, so just took a shower. Now I'm gonna get ready for my meeting. What I'm wearing, I'll tell you later. But before that, let's just get ready. I think people are not talking about this. I wouldn't even say people are not talking enough about this cream, but I would say people are not at all talking about Olay Soft Light, and this is not like the Olay जो age reverse something आता. This is something else. It was recommended by my dermat, and this cream has worked wonders on my skin. Like, I had major acne breakouts. Yes. And this is one cream which held my hand throughout past 1 year, and I can say my skin is pretty much acne free, a little bit here and there because of my periods, but the skin is getting brighter and clearer. And this is that one cream called Olay Soft Light. Not very expensive. The best thing is it is my sunscreen as well. It has SPF 50. So for lazy people like me who would rather spend an hour extra for workout than like 20 minutes on their skincare, this is the best thing on earth. Yeah, that reminds me of, I went to my box at 9:30. Like by 9:40 I was in my box, and I came back at 1:30. Wow. Anyways, let's just get ready quickly. There's nothing much I'm gonna do. No foundations on off days when I'm not doing anything I don't like putting foundation. I'm gonna just use this primer called Selfie Skin. It's pigmented, perfect for like natural look of no makeup. मेरा बस चलो तो मैं ये भी ना करूँ, but we're going for a work meeting. We need to look presentable.
A few moments later.
Food. I don't know if you can make out the difference, but it gives you like an even tone, and I love doing it on the days when I don't want to apply heavy makeup or like just makeup, because A, मुझे ज़्यादा करना आता नहीं है, B, I just want to look presentable. Like, next, fill our eyebrows. मैं बहुत जुगाड़ू मेकअप करती हूँ, and I think it works well for me because I love makeup when it doesn't take time. If I have to do myself, I cannot. I don't have the patience to like sit and do makeup, so I'll just do like hacks of it. Like, I found so many hacks on the internet and I just keep doing that. But when like I'm getting professional makeup done, then to jo marzi kara lo, because I'm not doing it right. Plus, when I'm shooting, there's so much makeup which will soon be revealed. What show am I shooting for? Hint, it's on Sony TV. That's it. So yeah, some mascara. Hats off to Maybelline. They make the best affordable mascaras. Affordable when it comes to which is easy on pocket, and like for someone like me, I don't find spending a lot of money on makeup because I have standard set of things and I keep repeating them until they're over and I want to experiment a bit. After a very long, I've shifted from creamy blush to like, you know, those sticks, blush sticks, to powder brush. I've come out of my blush blind era, and now I'm a human. Anyways, I'm gonna apply lip shade, although I'm gonna eat it because I'm gonna have my food. Again, Maybelline. I don't know, I use a lot of products of Maybelline. We'll put a gloss later on it, and my wild hair. What are you gonna do with them? Like, I need a permanent solution to my hair because I can't be doing everyday like hair straightening and stuff. And at the same time, I have tried all these keratin and blah blah blah, destroyed my hair, colored my hair, all these treatments. Like, all these treatments are good, and while they are, after effects बहुत गंदे होते हैं इसके. I've lost so much hair fall हो के. This is pretty, this is presentable. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna quickly finish my lunch, and there's something I told you about in the morning when I was making a vlog. It's not happening. What it is, I'll tell you later.
Meanwhile.
And this is what I'm wearing. No, wearing is nothing because we're gonna keep it cash. I love this look of mine, and this is so me. You know, I'm girly, but like, don't mess with me kind of vibe. So let's go and do our meeting. So So who I'm gonna meet for work meeting is one of my oldest friend in Bombay, and if today I'm here, it's because of him, because he made me do the reality show I did. If you know, you know.
Later.
You know, the work went really nice when you couldn't take out your camera to record anything. Had a great session in the sense brainstormed a lot, and I'm sure you'll be soon seeing it. This is something I always wanted to do. I'm not gonna say anything right now because I don't wanna jinx it, but it's something I'm gonna do for the first time, and I've never ever done something like that. Like, this is not what my profession is, and I'm taking a leap of faith and just doing it because why not? If this turns out to be good, it's gonna open a window. There's a lot of hope for me to take chances. This is something I really want to do, and I hope it works out. It's just initial stage. I'm just talking to people about ideas and stuff, but I'm glad I'm doing it. Step 1 to everything, and I guess I've taken my step 3, I guess. No, step 2. And there are like 99 more steps, but we got this. Now the thing is, I can't go to the event because I have a reading. Not reading, but a narration for something I can't disclose with someone I can't disclose on this platform, but let's see. So I'm gonna just quickly eat something, relax for half an hour, and then we'll be headed towards. That's something I can't talk about. Okay, I really don't know how these big content creators really survive because मेरे phone में इतनी videos हैं इस वक्त, so I don't know like which to send for my vlog, where to pick from my real stuff. Like I'm just exhausted. I came back from the meeting, it went well, and I then sat for like almost अब अंधेरा होना शुरू होने वाला है, and I sat for like 2.5-3 hours to edit one reel. Yeah, at least 2.5 hours, and I'm exhausted. I have to go for Khatri's birthday dinner, and why this is not easy. This is like, I love doing it. I'm not complaining. I love doing all this. I love the fact that now my brain is racing towards good, nice reels instead of just like basic bitch lip syncing or something like that. Like I'm doing what I always kind of approached and thought I would do. Tough stuff to create creative stuff. Yeah, that's why not everybody can do it, right? That's why I'm struggling to do it, because if it was easy, everybody would do it. Anyways, I love my life, and now I will be editing khatam nahi hui hai. There's still certain things left. I have a mixed feeling about it, but I am gonna do it. मुझे अच्छा लगा मैंने ये रील बनाई. कौन सी रील दिखा दूँगी आपको. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लो यार, मेहनत कर रही हूँ यार. सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक भी कर लो, व्यूज बढ़ाओ मेरी बिल्डिंग की लिफ्ट कभी नहीं पड़ी आगे. Almost half an hour late to Khatri's birthday dinner. I mean, it's not like a birthday dinner. We all are sitting at home and ordering whoever wants whatever. It's like a potluck, we call that. But he's ordering everything. I love my fit. It's just so easy and like love it. Fashion at its peak. Khatri फेंक दे यार बर्तन यार. Come on यार.
Bachelor life spent eating in this. Everything, rice, chicken, dal, veggies, everything, सब कुछ आता भाई इसमें. 100 ग्राम चावल, 20 ग्राम चावल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, लिमिट नहीं.
बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल देना चाहती पर मैं दूंगी नहीं.
देख के इंस्टेंटली बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई.
Come on.
जब से यहाँ होगा तब से मेरे पास ही.
It's okay, you have to move on now. Let go. इतना टाइम तो किसी बंदी को छोड़ने में नहीं लगाता ये. पता चले रात को के उठा के वापस अंदर रख ले.
पता है जो थोड़ा बचा हुआ खाना इसमें डालिए फिर खाना. आप पेट भरा. इसकी तरफ ही देखेंगे. ऐसे खड़ा हो, टांग पे वेट डाल, वो वाली टांग पे वेट. अरे फटी पक्का. बाद में कल बैठ चुके हैं.
10 भाई तेरी
नहीं मुझे इसमें लग रही है. ओए ये तो कोई बात नहीं है. मुझे तेरी प्यार बहुत फील हो रही है. नहीं लगी ना.
उसने बहुत कंट्रोल करके.
ये क्या मतलब ये भाई पर उसकी बहुत फील हो रही है मुझे इधर तो डर ही लगेगा ना. ये 10-20% है. अब जब ये 100 पे मारते हैं तुम लोग एक दूसरे को. नहीं
100 पे तो नहीं मारते.
4 में मर जाए. We used to feel as babies in wombs. It's a legit thing भाई, मजाक की बात नहीं. It's a sensory deprivation time. I hope so. Could also be a man falling into a
every group has that one guy.
See, there is a wire.
So there is a pod in which
हाँ,
a person is lying down like a banana.
और पॉड के ऊपर एक ढक्कन भी है.
हाँ, ढक्कन
और नीचे वायर भी जा रही
I
है.
thought these were like the antennas for receiving.
ये खाना.
White.
मेरे
Today.
How I delete it?
खा जाऊंगी. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
So Vietnam is a better option, right? One way fare is 15,500. Round trip is 32. Total travel time varies between 12 to 20 depending on your layover.
Hours?
220?
Yeah. Layover है ना भाई, direct flight नहीं है ना.
Just stay for 1 or 2 days in Bangkok. I'm
But
spending so many hours at an
अगर आप
airport.
शादी करनी है तो बैंकॉक
भाई एयरपोर्ट पता कितना छोटा होगा.
और वियतनाम भी अच्छा ऑप्शन है.
इंडिया भी हॉट नहीं होती. हॉट
July
इंडिया
and
डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट
September.
लेती है और लेओवर नहीं
Booking 1
लेती.
2 months.
We done for the day. We go home. We finish our book. I might sleep. सुबह कॉफी पी के निकल जाएगा. I just forget to end my vlog yesterday. I did, and nothing. Just like got back from dinner and I got back home and I was so exhausted. I just slept. I did not step out at all today. I finished my Harry Potter, and right now I'm too stunned to like even say anything and speak anything about the book because just the ending of the 5th part just left me speechless. It just left a hole inside me. Did I enjoy it? Yes. But am I scarred forever? Also yes. So I'll just go an angry train now. And oh boy.
And I honestly don't know which day it is. It's like 6th, 7th June by now. Completely forgot to end the vlog. But yes guys, I'm shooting another one tomorrow and I hope to keep you up in my journey in a similar way. There's a lot of fun stuff coming up. I'm just planning it nicely. There are times when I shoot a video and I delete it because I'm like, nahi, maza nahi aaya. But vlogging is something I'll continue doing now, and go like and subscribe and share, yaar.